Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD JPY steadily climbs back to 107.00 mark, lacks follow-through. http ntvforex.com News ID B02BCE 0732 GMT by Haresh Menghani. The upbeat mood undermined the safe haven JPY and extended some support to USD JPY. The prevalent USD selling bias seemed to hold investors from placing aggressive bullish bets. Worries over deteriorating US-China relations might also collaborate towards capping gains. The USD JPY pair traded with a mild positive bias during the early European session, with bulls now looking to reclaim and extend the momentum beyond the 107.00 mark. Following an early dip to the 106.80 region, the pair managed to attract some buying and moved further away from over two-week lows set on Friday. The modest uptick of around 15-20 pips was exclusively led by the prevalent risk-on environment, which tends to undermine the safe haven Japanese yen. Despite worries about the ever-increasing COVID-19 cases across the world, investors seem convinced that the worst of the pandemic was probably over. This comes amid the incoming positive data, which raised hopes of a swift economic recovery and remained supportive of the upbeat market mood. However, sustained US dollar selling bias held investors from placing any aggressive bullish bets. This, coupled with concerns about a further deterioration in diplomatic relations between the US and China, might further contribute towards capping any meaningful gains for the USD JPY pair. It is worth reporting that the US President Donald Trump on Friday announced that there will be no Phase 2 trade deal with China in the near future. Meanwhile, China's foreign minister was out with some comments in the last hour and said that they will impose sanctions on US lawmakers. In the absence of any major market-moving economic releases, the USD price dynamics and investors' appetite for riskier assets will play a key role in influencing the USD JPY pair's momentum. This makes it prudent to wait for some follow-through buying before positioning for any further move up. Technical levels to watch. USD JPY. Overview. Today last price 106.96. Today daily change 0.03. Today daily change percent 0.03. Today daily open 106.93. Trends. Daily SMA 20.107.23. Daily SMA 50.107.42. Daily SMA 100.107.68. Daily SMA 200.108.4. Levels. Previous daily high 107.26. Previous daily low 106.64. Previous weekly high 107.79. Previous weekly low 106.64. Previous monthly high 109.85. Previous monthly low 106.08. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 106.88. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 107.02. Daily pivot point S 1.106.62. Daily pivot point S 2.106.31. Daily pivot point S 3.105.99. Daily pivot point R 1.107.25. Daily pivot point R 2.107.57. Daily pivot point R 3.107.88. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.